Hello students, as I told you about WH words in my previous video. So now we are using that in sentences. Please have a look. Firstly, we are taking the word what. What is it? What. What means kya. Now we will make sentences, some simple sentences by using the word what. Firstly, we can make what is it. What is it? यह क्या है? ये क्या है? As you are now at home, you are not going to school or anywhere. In home, the mostly things will came in before you. Those name you did not understand. Those things you did not identify. Then you can ask to your mother, your father, or any elder at your home the name of the things. कैसे पूछेंगे आप? Like, what is it? मम्मा यह क्या है? You will speak, what is it? What is it? Second word, second sentence by what is, what are you doing? What are you doing? Doing means करना. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? We can write here so that you will read little it. आप क्या कर रहे हो? If you want to ask to anyone कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, how will you speak in English? What are you doing? Mama, what are you doing? What are you thinking? आप क्या सोच रहे हो? सोचना. What are you eating? आप क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? खाना. आप क्या खा रहे हो? आप क्या पी रहे हो? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? What are you eating? What are you doing? Like this. Now, second word is when. When means कब. When means कब. कब का यूज़ हम कब करते हैं? जब हमें किसी टाइम के बारे में जानना हो. Like, when will the movie start? When will the movie start? Movie or any show or any song, जो भी हम टीवी में देखते हैं, कोई भी प्रोग्राम आपको टीवी में अच्छा लगता है और आप उसे देखना चाहते हैं, आपको नहीं पता वो कब स्टार्ट होगा, तो आप कैसे आस्क करेंगे अपने घर पर किसी से भी? When will the movie start? मूवी कब स्टार्ट होगी? प्लीज़ टेल मी, when will the movie start? Second sentence we can write here, when will you come back? When will you come back? आपके फादर अगर किसी काम से बाहर जा रहे हैं और आपको उनसे ये पूछना है कि पापा आप कब वापस आओगे, then you can speak, when will you come back? Third sentence, when will we go? When will we go to school? हम स्कूल कब जाएंगे? When will we go to school? हम स्कूल कब जाएंगे? Third word we are taking here is where. Our third word is Where means कहाँ. Where means कहाँ. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. Where are you going. Where are you going. Where do you live. आप कहाँ रहते हो. Where do you live. Where means कहाँ. Where are you going. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. Where do you live. आप कहाँ रहते हो. And other sentences are Mama, where is my bag. Or where are my books. You can ask to your father, your mother, or any elder your home about your things. Where is my book. Where are my books. Where is my bag. Where is my lunch, etc. Now our next word is who. Number 4, who. Who means कौन. Who means कौन. When you talk to someone on phone. When you talk to someone on phone and you did not identify him or her, you can ask, who is this. Hello. Hello. Who is this. Who are you. Who are you. Hello. Who is this. Who are you. Who told you. Who told you about me. मेरे बारे में आपको किसने बताया. Who told you. आपको किसने बताया about me. मेरे बारे में. Our next word is how. How means कैसे. How means कैसे. How are you. आप कैसे हैं. How are you. When any people, any relative, any neighbor, you came to your home, you open the door and you see anyone, you can ask them, how are you. Hello auntie. Hello uncle. How are you. Good afternoon auntie. Good afternoon uncle. How are you. You can ask to your any friend also. If you meet to any friend, if you meet with any of your friend, you can ask him, how are you. How are you. तुम कैसे हो. आप कैसे हो. How are you. How is she. How is he. How is she or he. She we use for girl and he we use for boy. If you want to ask about any boy, he, how is he. If you want to ask any girl, how is she. Our next word is why. Why means क्यों. Why means क्यों. Why it happened. Why it happened. ऐसा क्यों हुआ. Why it happened. ऐसा क्यों हुआ. Why are you crying. Why are you crying. If you watch anyone are crying among you, आपके सामने कोई रो रहा है तो आप से पूछ सकते हो, how will you ask. Why are you crying. Please tell me why are you crying. So these are some sentences with WH words. Parents and students, please watch this video carefully again and again so that you can understand these WH words and their sentences. It will help your vocabulary. It will also help to understand these words that will also used in your English, EVS and other subjects lessons. You will use these words in your lessons in question answer. Once if you got the meaning of WH word, you will easily understood them in sentences, and you could be able to use them in sentences yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.